Environmental education in Africa, nurturing eco-conscious citizens. Africa is blessed with breathtaking natural beauty, lush forests, vast savannas, diverse wildlife, and rich mineral resources. However, the continent also faces mounting environmental challenges, including deforestation, pollution, desertification, and the impacts of climate change. These issues threaten not only ecosystems but also the livelihoods and health of millions of people. To tackle these challenges, environmental education is key. By teaching communities, especially young people, about sustainability and responsible stewardship of natural resources, Africa can nurture a new generation of eco-conscious citizens committed to protecting the planet. This video explores the importance of environmental education in Africa and how it can inspire sustainable practices in everyday life. The importance of environmental education. Environmental education goes beyond learning about plants, animals, and ecosystems. It empowers individuals to understand the relationship between humans and the environment and to take meaningful action to protect it. 1. Building awareness and understanding. Many environmental problems in Africa stem from a lack of awareness. Environmental education helps people understand how their daily actions, like waste disposal, energy use, or farming practices, impact the environment. When people are aware, they make better choices for their communities and future generations. 2. Encouraging sustainable lifestyles. By teaching the value of sustainability, environmental education inspires individuals to adopt eco-friendly habits. These include reducing plastic use, recycling, conserving water, and supporting clean energy solutions. Small changes in behavior can collectively lead to big impacts. 3. Supporting economic development. Sustainable environmental practices can also create economic opportunities. For instance, ecotourism, renewable energy, and sustainable agriculture are growing industries that provide jobs while protecting the planet. Educated citizens are more likely to innovate and create businesses that balance profit with environmental care. 4. Protecting Africa's natural heritage. Africa's diverse ecosystems, from the Congo Basin rainforest to the Serengeti Plains, are invaluable to global biodiversity. Environmental education helps communities understand the importance of conserving these ecosystems, preventing poaching, and managing natural resources responsibly. 5. Combating climate change. As the effects of climate change become more visible, floods, droughts, and rising temperatures, environmental education empowers communities to adapt and mitigate these challenges. Educated citizens can implement sustainable farming, promote tree planting, and advocate for renewable energy solutions. Integrating environmental education in Africa. 1. School curriculums. Incorporating environmental topics into school programs is one of the most effective ways to build eco-awareness from a young age. Students learn about recycling, conservation, and renewable energy through hands-on projects like tree planting or school gardens. Countries such as Kenya, South Africa, and Ghana have already introduced environmental education into their curriculums, encouraging children to become agents of change in their communities. 2. Community programs. Many non-governmental organizations, NGOs, and local groups run workshops and campaigns to promote environmental awareness. Programs like Eco Schools Africa, Green Belt Movement, Kenya, and Sustainable Development Education Network, Nigeria, engage communities in tree planting, cleanup drives, and environmental advocacy. 3. Media and technology. Radio, television, and social media play a vital role in spreading environmental messages. Creative campaigns, documentaries, and eco-influencers help reach wider audiences, especially the youth. Digital platforms can also be used for online environmental learning and awareness challenges. 4. Traditional knowledge and indigenous practices. Africa's indigenous cultures have long practiced environmental stewardship, rotational farming, water conservation, and sacred forest protection. Integrating traditional ecological knowledge into modern education helps preserve heritage while promoting sustainable living. 5. Government and policy support. Policymakers play a crucial role in promoting environmental education. Governments can provide funding, develop sustainability programs, and incentivize green initiatives like waste recycling, clean energy, and reforestation projects. Sustainable practices for daily life. Environmental education should lead to real action in daily life. Here are some simple sustainable habits individuals and families can adopt. Reduce waste, reuse containers, avoid single-use plastics, and recycle when possible. Save energy, turn off unused lights, use solar power, and opt for energy-efficient appliances. Conserve water, fix leaks, collect rainwater, and use water wisely. Plant trees. Trees absorb carbon dioxide, prevent soil erosion, and cool the environment. Support local farmers, buy locally grown food to reduce carbon emissions from transportation. Educate others, share knowledge and encourage friends and neighbors to live sustainably. Inspiring African initiatives. One, the Green Belt Movement, Kenya. Founded by Nobel laureate Wangari Maathai, this movement has planted millions of trees while educating women and communities about environmental conservation. 2. Eco Schools Program, South Africa. This initiative empowers schools to take part in environmental projects, teaching students practical ways to protect their surroundings. 3. Let's Do It Africa. A grassroots movement organizing massive clean-up campaigns and waste management education across African cities. 4. Rwanda's Green Revolution. Rwanda has become a leader in eco-conscious policy by banning plastic bags and promoting national tree planting days. Environmental education is not just about protecting nature, it's about shaping a sustainable future for Africa. By educating children, empowering communities, and integrating traditional wisdom with modern solutions, Africa can cultivate eco-conscious citizens who value the planet and take action to preserve it. From planting a single tree to starting a recycling project, every small effort matters. The journey towards sustainability begins with awareness, and education is the first seed to plant. As Africans, our role is instrumental in building a brighter future for our continent. When we educate a child about the environment, we plant a tree in the heart of the next generation.